process was absolutely amazing. While working in teams, we gained new skills and experiences. We got to know each other's abilities closer, learned how to add sound and music to animation or videos by using Movie Maker program. We improved our Russian speaking skills as well.
Also, is a new activity for Georgian schools. We invited students from Kazakhstan and told them about our country online. We showed them our national dance, sang the national anthem and the Georgian folk song. We learned a lot of new things about their country. For me, what they felt is that Kazakhstan is a rich country with its ancient culture, and I have a great desire to learn more about this country.
We help our teacher to arrange a class for small mischief tests. For this activity, we need a computer, a projector, multiple mics, USB hub and a test. The interactive test is very exciting. We can actively participate in lessons using our hands and our minds. It can encourage health with interest and competition. It helps us to learn.